Hi, and welcome to another Library 101 from the North Dakota State Library. I'm Angie, and today we're going to discuss Niche Academy. What is it? It's a database to help librarians. Niche Academy was created with librarians in mind. The courses are made by the state library and other libraries around the country. They are chosen by the state library for the information and help that they can provide libraries around the state. Not only are there courses for librarians, but there are ones for patrons on some of the most commonly asked questions. Some of the patron courses are on using Twitter, Snapchat, Gmail, Facebook, and more. There are also courses on using the Microsoft Office suite, such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. What's great about these is that the patron can jump around in the course, so if they know a bit about it, then they can move away from creating an account and the introduction into how to actually use it. There's some courses on being a library director. Being a library director is scary, and it's a position that not everyone is prepared for. The state library has curated an entire category list just for library directors. You'll find courses on such topics as how to start a friends group, collection development, what to expect in this new role, and so much more. The best part is these courses can be taken on your own time when you have a spare few minutes. Finally, Niche Academy has course tutorials on the databases that the North Dakota State Library offers. In fact, we have curated the tutorials into several categories. These categories are North Dakota State Library and ODIN databases, North Dakota State Library and Overdrive databases, North Dakota State Library databases, and North Dakota State Library, ODIN, and Overdrive databases. Thus, depending on which databases your library has access to, you can choose the appropriate category. Why should you use it? Again, courses are designed with librarians in mind. Many of the courses are created by librarians who know what struggles there are in the profession. The courses cover common items that may not be easily accessible elsewhere, or ones that may not have the correct information. These courses are pulled from all over into one easy, accessible area. There are courses from WebJunction, InfoPeople, and public and state libraries from around the country. These aren't your typical professional development courses. Some courses offer completion certificates and some don't. It all depends on who made the course. The user doesn't have to follow the course from beginning to end. They can skip around the sections that they need to work on rather than going through the whole thing, thus saving some time. That is a very condensed introduction to Niche Academy. Stay tuned for the full tutorial of this database. Subscribe to our channel to never miss a thing. If you have any questions on this tutorial, email me at ndsltrain@nd.gov.